Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to play Spotify on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to play at Spotify on Discord, you need to connect your Spotify account to your Discord profile. Once you have done this, this will allow you to display what you are listening on your Spotify, and in some cases you can also listen along with your friends. You cannot directly stream Spotify audio into a Discord voice channel through the built-in features, but you can share your screen with the Spotify application open if you are using the desktop version rather than a mobile phone version. So this is how you can simply play Spotify on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this. We will be back again really soon.